ground. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog with 4 quick feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for hat that fits us all. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for jumping in the sun. K is for kite, flying high and free. R is for lion under a tree. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for octopus with 8 long arms. P is for pig who lives on farms. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow coming down. Ooh. S is for sun, lighting up the day. T is for train, chugging away. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van, driving down the lane. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play it too. Y is for yellow, bright like the sun. Z is for zebra, now we're done. A, B, C, let's sing and play. Learn and explore every day.